Air Force Special Operations Command leaders announced at the Special Air Warfare Symposium that their newest airframe, the OA-1K, will officially be known as the Skyraider-2. The moniker renews the rugged and versatile nature of the A-10C Skyraider. The Skyraider-2 is a cost-effective crewed aircraft that is adaptable across the spectrum of conflict. It will have the ability to support Special Operations Forces as well as the Joint Force through close air support, precision strike, and armed intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance.
Introducing the OA-1K Skyraider-2, a modern powerhouse inspired by the principles that made the original A-10C Skyraider legendary. Designed from the ground up to support Special Operations Forces in austere environments, the OA-1K combines advanced surveillance capabilities with precision strike options. Its propeller-driven design maximizes maneuverability and allows it to loiter for extended periods, just like the original Skyraider, providing real-time intelligence and immediate fire support. Much like its predecessor, the OA-1K is built for versatility and lethality. Whether neutralizing threats, providing overwatch, or guiding missions with cutting-edge sensors, it stands ready to protect and empower Special Operations Forces on land or in maritime environments. From the jungles of Vietnam to the battlefields of tomorrow, the warrior spirit of the A-1 lives on in the OA-1K Skyraider-2, ready to answer the call, any place, anytime, anywhere. The new OA-1K Skyraider-2, legacy refined, mission ready.
Hold that real quick. 850 on 02. 850, got it. Hold that real quick, real quick. Let's go to this side too. Got it. Just right here, just make sure your hands are open. Just good. No, straight up. A little higher.
Turns out you might have a hand on that. Sure. Okay. It's a little, he's got power up, it'll back.
Hey, just keep it on 70 or switch to the